Put your hands together for Curtis Stone.
Thank you. What's going on?
Welcome home, Curtis. Nice to see you. You're hosting an event for the festival, but you only flew in a couple of hours ago.
We got in this morning, yeah. We came in via Sydney.
All went well?
Well, you know, we were a little late getting out of LA, so our flight was delayed. We missed our connection, and the bags haven't shown up yet. So if you smell something, this is what I flew in.
Smells great.
Yeah.
How's the family coping with that?
Oh, they're good. They're good. They're all in. They took a shower. They're in robes. They're in bed.
That's them there.
There they are. There they are.
That's their wardrobe
Limbs of
for
the
Melbourne
boys.
for the next week.
I mean, she
They're
doesn't look
watching.
happy, does she?
Hi guys. I didn't tell her that I was going to give you that photo. I'm sorry, my love.
Now, congratulations on your new restaurant, Gwen. It got a Michelin star. Very exciting. I'm yet to get mine for my spaghetti bolognese, my signature dish. How's that going? That's very exciting.
That's great. You know what? You win an award like that, and it's an incredible, compliment. But you also feel the pressure of it. You know,
Yeah.
you're like, oh my God, we can't lose it next year. So suddenly you are more stressed than you normally are. But no, it's an incredible thing, an amazing thing for the team, and we're stoked.
Now, we mentioned you were cooking for Oprah, and you cooked recently at the SAG Awards. Is that a nerve-wracking experience, cooking for that many celebs?
Look, it's a tough event because they want to serve the meal just before everyone walks into the room. So it's like 700 or 800 guests, and you have to plate it literally just before the guests arrive. Oh. But you know, celebrities, they never want to sit down. They all stand around, so you're like, sit down and eat. Come on, it's going to be destroyed. But no, it's a fun event.
Right, but so I don't know if you're aware, it's Ramadan right now.
Yes.
So it's pretty cruel that we're doing this segment while I'm fasting correctly. But if I could gather like 1,000 people, fasting people,
Right.
for you to feed them at the end of the day, how would that compare to doing an event like that?
Oh, I think that they would be so much happier if they got to eat at the end of... You mean at the end of their fast, right?
They'd be sitting down, that's for
Absolutely.
sure. They'd be ready to go.
Yeah. Now, we used to have a bunch of people that worked with us in London that would keep a strict Ramadan, and you know it's tough because you can't even drink water throughout the fast, right? So, and we were in a basement kitchen, so they'd be up and down all night long, and you could see them getting so thirsty and hungry. And then the second that they could eat, it was
What,
a
you lost all your
moment.
stuff at that point?
They'd be like straight out the
serve
door.
anything?
No, we would feed them, and we would serve them right at the time that they were allowed to eat.
Oh,
it
so
was
you're
good fun.
experienced in
Yeah.
this. You know how it works.
I do.
Yeah.
Now, I can't believe I'm admitting this to you on live TV, Curtis, but I've never cooked for my wife. We've been together for 8 years.
Oh.
I need a specialty stat. What do I do? Help.
Mate, if she's put up with it for 8 years, you're in a good place. I mean, I tell you what, you won the lottery. You know what? You could do anything. You could do Vegemite on toast, and she would be happy because if it's taken 8 years to get something out of you.
So you think I've set the bar low?
Yes, you
Easy.
sure have.
But if you want to get a specialty quickly, is there one?
Of course. Yeah, no, you should choose something that she loves. You should always cook for the person that you're cooking for.
What did you win your wife over with?
You know what? The first thing I cooked for her, actually, she's a whiskey drinker, and I met her in a restaurant, and she was drinking single malt whiskey, which made me, I was drinking rosé, and I thought, okay, so the first time I did cook for her, I made a chocolate whiskey mousse.
Oh. I thought you were going to say kebab.
So you go toast or whiskey. You've got it sorted now.
Sorted.
But surely there's something quick that Nick could do, potentially. Just off the
Well,
top
what
of your
does
head.
she
2-minute
order
noodles
when
or
you
something?
take her out for dinner?
Well, this is the added degree of difficulty. We've got 2 boys under 5.
Right.
So I need it to taste good, but be quick.
Right.
Before they get in the kitchen and cause havoc as well.
But what does when you take her out for dinner, what does she order?
She loves salads and lean meat. She's very healthy.
Yeah, I see why you haven't cooked for her. I mean, if you perfect a salad dressing, it can be that simple. And then you just go back to that salad dressing and you can always mix up what's in the salad. But you create something for her.
That's great
Name
dressing.
it after
It's
her.
not even a dish.
Not even a dish.
I've just got to make a dressing.
Yes! Vinaigrette.
You can head to our website to find more information on all the tasty events at this year's Melbourne Food and Wine Festival. Curtis Stone, thank you so much for popping in.
Thank you so much.